Usumbut Menteri Rangba ke jela badai pej ke tenat penmi boarding ba perstun tensong ulaong ba kalong ke bae ban pynrung pura ke nongtrei casual ke MeECL nomor ke sorgar jela ke dan hapdeng ke cinghiran pisa haba cuba walau ke cingdawa ke nongtrei ke MeECL uba perstun ulaong ba kidai ban sungthu ba ke sorgar jela ke dan hapdeng ke cinge ba tangi ki syajar ngot tam ki badai ban thep kamru ampala.
I understand their pain, no doubt of it. Because some casual, they have been there working for not less than 15 years. Some of them 18 years. Some of them 10 years. I mean, most of them 10 plus. Okay, I understand the pain. But at the same time, let me just tell you, not less than 1,000 plus, even the sanction post, we are yet to fill it up. Sanction post means what? Those technical sanction posts, like junior engineers, like assistant engineers, like executive engineers, so on and so forth. More than 1,000 plus. But the only problem that we have here right now is if we fill it up now, the issue is the financial crisis that we have. It is still continue. We don't have much option to do whatever to fill up even this post immediately. But we are working out only those area which is really required, then we have to fill it up, that post. So therefore, as far as the petition made by the casual workers, I understand their pain. We know, yes, the price index keep growing, coming up, rising up every year. I understand, but I would like to request them, let us first of all clear the outstanding dues of the MeECL, and we are trying right now to stand on our own. Once that is done, I'm telling you with assurance, I would like to say that we will fully accommodate them on a regular basis. See, because some of them 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, they wanted, number one is regularization. They wanted to get a regular pay, which I also understand the need of each and every casual workers, contractual workers. So therefore, I just appeal them that the situation right now, financial position of the MeECL is still very grim. Still, we need to hand to mouth, and we need to survive, and we need to also